Thank you for the time given to me to present my paper with the title of Relationship between Grip Strength and Muscle Strength in Sedentary People. The paper has two authors. There are Aurelia Budiwan and me, Vivi Triyanti. We are from Industrial Engineering Department at Atmajaya Catholic University of Indonesia. As a background, maybe we know that almost 50% of the body weight is constituted from skeletal muscle. The muscle help the body to move and to exert force. Therefore, the performance of muscle will affect to the ability of the body to move and to gain force. To evaluate the muscle strength, usually we use grip strength because grip strength has relationship with arm, back, and leg strength. However, all the studies usually were conducted in physically active subject. The physically active subject means the people or subject that regularly has exercise for 30 minutes at least 3 times a week. However, now we consider that not persons are active. Usually there's a population that has a sedentary behavior. That means the population always tend to do light activities and not doing exercise regularly. Usually, the sedentary behavior people maybe has a tendency to change into sedentary lifestyle. The example of the population is like student or office worker that maybe always has a job behind the desk, so they have no time to do the exercise. Because the tendency of the sedentary lifestyle to become a sedentary lifestyle, so it has a risk of obesity. It makes the sedentary lifestyle actually is not preferable. Therefore, we're interested to measure the performance of muscle for sedentary behavior people. But because muscle strength is more difficult to measure, then we want to know whether for the sedentary behavior population, muscle strength also correlate has relationship with grip strength or not. Therefore, the objective of the study is to analyze the relationship between hand grip strength to muscle strength in sedentary behavior population. Using the result, we want to know if there is a relationship, then we want to predict the value of muscle strength based on the grip strength. As a method, we use the participant. We have 47 male and 47 female participants. They are classified as sedentary behavior people based on physical activity questionnaire. For measuring the muscle strength and grip strength, we use two instruments. The first is grip strength. For the grip strength, we use Medley hand dynamometer. And then for the muscle strength, we use Lafayette manual muscle tester. For the grip strength, we conduct 3 position. It is the standard position, 180 degrees, and then the second position for 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Each position was sequentially performed 2 times, and then the result for each position will be average. And then for the muscle strength, we use 6 muscle groups. It is shoulder abductors, elbow extensors, wrist flexors, hip flexors, knee extensors, and ankle dorsiflexors. All the measurement then were averaged to get a total muscle strength or overall body muscle strength. And then as a result, for female and male participant, we see that male significantly has stronger grip and muscle strength than female. We can see in the table that the grip strength and overall body muscle strength for male has a higher value than the female. Then next result, we measure the correlation, and then we see that for correlation between grip strength and muscle strength, all have positive correlation and moderate positive correlation. It is above the 0.6. So it is considered as positive moderate correlation. And then based on the result, then we want to know whether there is a linear relationship between grip strength and total muscle strength. Using the grip strength as x-axis, and then the dependent variable is muscle strength, then we build a linear regression model, and from the table we can see that for all the category, the correlation, the linear regression model show positive value. So the grip strength has positive effect to overall body strength and wrist muscle strength. And then from the result, we see that the highest R-square is from grip strength to overall body muscle strength for male. It has 60.5%. It means that averagely 60% of the variance in body muscle strength can be explained by the variance in grip strength. And then to know whether then that the model is valid or not, we use two approach. First we calculate the SEE, standard estimation error, and standard deviation. If the SEE value is smaller than standard deviation of the dependent variable, then we consider that the model is valid. We see here that SEE for all model, for all equation is smaller. Then we can say that the model is valid. The second thing, we make a parity test between muscle strength of the regression model or Y prediction, the value experiment, and the result show that the t-test is not significant or hypothesis 0 is accepted. So we can conclude that Y prediction and Y experiment is the same. As a conclusion of this paper, first, this study showed that there is a significant correlation between grip strength and overall body muscle strength and wrist muscle strength for sedentary population. Then, using linear regression model, grip strength as independent variable had a positive relationship toward muscle strength. Therefore, grip strength could be used as general indicator for overall body muscle strength and wrist muscle strength for sedentary population. Okay, that's all the explanation of our paper. Thank you very much.